Learn unknown, share known. Welcome to Lusk. In this video, we are going to see about light dependent resistor and how it works and what is the use of that LDR. Here in street solar lights or some street lights, if you fit this LDR, there is no any requirement of a human needs to switch on or switch off. Automatically when darkness come it will get switched on, and when brightness come it will get switched off. That is the purpose of LDR, and it saves more energy of course. And if you fit this LDR in your home, garden, etc., if you go outside also, no need to worry, it will get switched on and switched off automatically, so power is saved. So let me explain practically how it is working. Here the white screen represents the sunlight, and here I gave 220 voltage and 110 voltage. Don't get confused, because in some countries they use like 110 voltage like Americans, and some countries they use 220 like Indians, Asians, etc. Okay, this, as I said, this white screen is represents the sunlight. When this become dark slowly and the LDR detects and lights get switched on like this, and when it goes completely dark and light will get switched on completely. And when sun rises in morning, when sun rises, brightness also increase, and slowly the LDR detects and the lights get switched off. In this video we are going to see about equipment ratings, like why I mentioned here 110 and 220, because countries like Americans they use 110 voltage, and countries like India they use 220 voltage, right? So I mean to say, like, how to buy an equipment. Like if an American comes to India and he buys a fan, and he go back to America and connect Indian fan in American electricity, I mean Indian fans are 220 voltage, right? And he is connecting in his 110 voltage. I mean in America they use 110 voltage. What will happen? Fan will run, but it will run very slowly. That will not be sufficient for his purpose. Okay, same wise, if an Indian buys a fan in America and come to India and connect in his home, what will happen? Because American fans are 110 voltage fan, and when he connects in 220 voltage, fan will run fast and it will burn. So when buying the equipment, you should buy according to your country ratings. Okay, so if you buy wrong rating, definitely the equipment will get damaged and it is dangerous for you also. So if you are buying something, if an Indian buying something in America, all American products will be like 110 voltage. So buy a transformer also, like step down transformer or step up transformer according to the equipment. Suppose you are using a fan, 110 voltage fan, so what you have to buy? If you want to use in India, you have to use step down transformer, because 220 it will convert into 110 and your fan will run perfectly. If an American wants to buy a fan in India and he wants to use in America, then he has to use step up transformer. I mean 110 voltage to 220 voltage, step up transformer. So fan will run fast. Fan will not damage, but it will run fast. So if you are buying anything, buy a transformer also with that. So that's what I mean to say. And thank you for watching. Here I am going to show you practically what happens if a fan connected to the higher rating, I mean higher voltage socket. Let's see. Okay, here you can see this is a 440 voltage, I mean 388 to 440 voltage, and this is 220 voltage. This fan is 220 voltage. You can say where to connect the fan, here or here. Can you say? You will say because it is 220 written, it is written here 220, so you will connect here in 220. But you want to know what happens if we connect this fan to 440. Let's see what happens practically. If I am going to connect this fan in 440 voltage, fan will run, but after some time it will burn. Initially it will run, after some time it will burn, because higher voltage is going to the fan, so obviously it will burn, right? When we remove and connect it correctly in 220, this will run perfectly, no problem. When more, I mean up to 220, 240, 250, nothing will happen. When it goes beyond its limit, that time fan will of course it will burn.